You hope so.
Are
We
they
got-
new?
I need to see if it's on.
His aren't?
You can't take that to the bank.
How long are you gonna have the 11 o'clock things?
Depends on my schedule, like next week I'm not here, I'm not working nights next Sunday, I could do it at 6, but I wanted to talk to the boys and see what they, the 6 o'clock schedule still good with you guys, coming to 5? Is this 11 kinda tough for you?
Well, a little bit, because I lose church gigs.
You'll lose money if we do it at 6?
No, it
No.
should be on now.
6 would be
Oh.
better.
Okay, so 6 is good.
Right now, I'm giving up church gigs to
Oh,
come
then
live
we'll
with
go
you,
back
bro.
to, like,
I'm
next
gonna
week.
commit some sin.
Next
You
week,
know,
next
they wanna
week
do
we
the
can
church
do it
thing.
at 6.
Same thing
Oh,
here,
I
I
can't
can't
do
go.
Oh, 'cause you got the jam. So now you like to see what I got here?
When do you wanna do it?
Think it's easy, huh?
We can't go to church, that's what we're wondering.
Well, you know, you're kinda at church, you just don't know it.
What about doing it
God
at 3?
knows.
What about doing it at 3,
Yeah, I
Carmine?
don't care about that. What?
Do it at 3.
I can't, well, I could.
I think
Yeah,
we're,
that's all. You know, do some weird thing, like in the middle of all of that.
Yeah, all right, we'll figure it out this week.
Just move it up with an hour or something.
How many weeks, oh, we gotta start, let us know when we can play back,
Showtime.
I
your
think
thing, it's gonna last how long?
I think it's live.
Oh, it's a jam you picked
Oh,
up.
we're live.
I think it's good, I think it's on.
Oh, good.
Hey, we think we're on, we don't know, so if we
Well-
are,
It says,
I wanna welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. And if we're not, then I'll welcome you later when we
we
move
are.
on. Because Paul, I don't know what, are you on?
I don't know. I'm just entirely up to Engineer Dan.
He's always on.
To you.
Anyway, so I don't know whether we should start playing or just stand here and wait till Dan says,
No, go.
play a song. or-
I think it's on.
Okay, we're gonna think it's on for an hour.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, kick it off, Paul.
all right.
What key?
To be D, dog. 1, 2, bam, 2.
Well, the girl turned right when the pickers came today. I had an uncle who was farming down in Tennessee. And I stopped by to see him there, and I brought this friend with me. He had a daughter of 17 whose
show.
Yeah,
That was for my daughter,
Well, she's beautiful.
Stephanie.
Which one? Yeah, what's she doing?
She's turning 40
Oh,
tomorrow.
oh no. Stephanie, honey, 40 years ago,
You remember?
I remember when you were born.
No, you do.
I do, all your kids.
Yeah.
Scott and every one of them.
Yeah.
Oh my God. 40 years old, well, she's a beautiful girl.
What's that say about me?
Well, me too.
Happy birthday,
You know,
Steph.
We all take that journey together, you know, there's nothing, you know, it's all good.
Be 40 again, huh?
Gary Swan, you're gonna be doing a blues jam, let's talk about that just for a second. Where and when?
I'm doing one on Wednesday night at Pat's Cocktail in the beautiful city of North Hollywood.
Oh, that's
At
close.
Laurel Canyon and Riverside.
Good.
And the other one is in Chatsworth.
Now, is there one on Sunday? Cause that's the one I was concerned
Yeah,
with.
there's one on Sunday.
And where's that?
That's the one in Chatsworth.
In Chatsworth. Okay, go to Chatsworth, you'll see it.
Just drive around Chatsworth until you hear a lot of noise.
Anyway, good to see you.
What's the name of the one in Chatsworth?
Palmer, what do you got going?
Not a whole lot, man.
I thought you said you got church gigs and stuff.
I'm just sitting around the house waiting for the phone to ring
Yeah,
for the
okay.
most part.
No.
Drinking coffee,
I'll call you.
You know,
watching TV.
I have a small business, and through the years, if the business gets real slow, you really start to doubt yourself. Like,
Yeah,
what am I do? They all hate me? Do I do bad work? What's going on? And so it would get so slow when I was young sometimes. Like you would actually walk over and pick the phone up and to listen to hear the buzz to make sure the phone was still working. Really, that's the way it's.
I've done that.
The middle of the day, you're sitting there with nothing to do, you go over the phone, go, yeah, well, it's not the phone, you know, nobody's calling, I guess.
I have a new
That's fun,
phone and
right?
it's doing
And
it.
Paul, you had a good week?
Good week, good week.
And you got a daughter now, tomorrow that's gonna be 40.
Yeah.
Now, how old is
New
Scott?
handphone.
Scott's your oldest, isn't he?
Yeah, in a few more days, Scott will be 40.
And Stephanie's the baby,
Stephanie's the middle.
in the middle, and
PJ.
PJ's, of course. Yeah, see, I
Yeah.
know him, but I don't know what
They're all getting older. What are you gonna do?
Nothing, I mean, my daughter is gonna be, I think, 59 this year. Oh, Kim, I'm sorry, I just gave away your age.
Oh.
She's gonna hate me. Anyway, Bob Smith Toyota, we're gonna do this. So Paul, do another one, and
Okay.
we'll go from here.
Key of D. Same one we were just in.
You don't have to move anything.
You don't have to move a
Because
thing.
you're already
Leave that
there.
cable right where you put it. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against your skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight.
We're here,
But you
folks.
know,
Wait, go ahead.
I gotta tell you what happened, you know, right in the middle of that song, I looked over at Dan. He's fucking-
Hey, Dan, you think we're still on?
How's it going, Dan?
We're on.
Oh, we're not on.
Well, we're not, but I'm glad you are.
You know, Carmine's Country Corner, like they always say, with this band, you never know what you're gonna get, you know.
Oh, that was fun.
Anyway, Mr. Dirty Swan, hit us with something.
Is it a, something in the way you move?
You wanna do that? Take it.
I don't think so.
What,
I
Frank,
don't
get
think
it?
I'm that suicidal.
Something in the way she moves.
Oh.
Jack.
Yeah.
Now, go.
Somebody
love you,
get this
Frankie.
guy a church gig, will you?
They're having fun, those two are having fun back there.
Get it now.
Need one more cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Get me going.
I wanna shake, rattle, and roll it,
What
All right.
and see.
All of us. Except for me, go ahead.
Carmine, you're just not loud enough. Carolina's called and said they can't hear you.
saxophones.
Yeah, I can only imagine that, that's why he doesn't.
Plus, you gotta see, when I take this, I did play this yesterday, like my set, like this,
Yeah.
and I went, watch Teardown.
Yeah, right.
Let's watch Teardown, you don't have to haul it on the floor, Tom.
You know, when you got a drum kit like this, it certainly saves carrying stuff.
Certainly
You know, you just walk in.
Well, Bob,
Play.
I don't know what Bob Gother's doing these days, but he
Yeah.
used to go, dude, could you please bring a whole drum set?
Bring a whole drum set?
Yeah, he wanted me to bring the tom and the four tom.
Oh,
I
no.
show up like this. I got used to it, you know, when I was doing Enfeld's gig, this is all I ever played.
There was a big
Economize.
tall drummer, I think
Since you
Paul.
can fly this stuff around.
Paul might remember this gentleman. I don't think you would. It was too far back. I don't think you were here yet. You might remember him. A fellow named Kent Dunbar.
I remember Kent
And
very well.
he was real
Love
tall.
that guy.
Now, he didn't start playing until he was almost 20 years old. He never played drums. And he walked into Dick Charles Music and said to Mrs. Charles, Ruth, her name was Ruth, Ruth Charles, he says, you guys give drum lessons? Now, here's a full-grown man. Look at all these little kids that are teaching, you know, little stuff. She says, yeah. He says, I want to take some drum lessons. And she told me this story. She says, this guy was so big, like, I didn't know what to do with him. I didn't know where to put him. Like, the rehearsal rooms are small. This guy was like ducking to get in the door. And she said he became such a great drummer, and he started so late in life, you know. And he really played well.
He did.
He had a good attitude, and what a fun guy. And you know what his favorite set was?
What's that?
What he's playing right
That's
now.
it. That's a good set.
Unbelievable.
You know, I played in a,
He would show up with a hi-hat, a snare drum, and a kick drum, and play more drums. He still overplayed when he wanted to. It was amazing. Anyway, Kent Dunbar, Easton Chili, and I love you if you watch the show every once in a while, and you know, we go way back. We go back all the way back to '65, I think, is when I first started. And
well,
so,
I'm gonna tell you, I played in a
great guy.
band that were all judges.
Yeah.
They were all Superior Court judges, and those guys were good, man.
Oh,
Because
really?
they're intelligent guys, and they, oh yes.
They can play.
Oh, no, I was so
But I think they
surprised.
were a little judgmental.
Oh, they were.
Little Judge got me out of the reason.
They were a little judgmental,
That's when I was the big
a
dog
little
in the room.
opinionated.
Bob Smith Toyota, he gave him away, but his wife won't let him,
G&D
folks.
about him. Yeah. 1, 2.
broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. I never felt so down and low. Never felt so all alone. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Thank you. So Dr. Teresa
Yeah.
tripped the other day. She fell down.
Oh.
And she caught herself with, was that the left or right hand, honey? Which one? Which hand did you catch yourself with? The right. Yes. And she thought she broke her wrist, but she didn't.
Oh, no.
No, she was okay.
Good.
And and Dr. Kathy came up, and she's. Can I tell them when your birthday is and what you're doing?
You may.
I may.
Yeah.
Dr. Kathy, in the 7th, is it? Did you say? What's the date?
March the 7th, I'll be 90.
March 7th. She's gonna be 90 years old, and she still goes to all the clubs. She loves the music, and of course, so does Dr. Teresa. Come on up and do a quick song, Dr.
You
Teresa.
know, I suggest.
See, you gotta be prepared when you're not prepared in this business. You just gotta be on all the time.
March 7th is my son's birthday also.
And how old's Scott gonna be?
He's gonna be 42.
Oh, geez, Scott, we love you.
So I was
There you
thinking of
go.
you.
I suggest all the elderly people, when you fall, just fall on your face.
Yeah. So,
That way you won't break your wrist or
you do
anything.
secular or a country?
That's what Janis Joplin did.
Country, okay. Crazy Arms?
Crazy Arms, what key? Let's kick it out. G?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're gonna do 151, right?
Yep.
Crazy
Crazy
Arms in G?
151.
Crazy cat
I
arm.
like the way they tell me, like I'm the one that needs to know this.
We're gonna kick it out. Let's go. 151.
Yes.
Good. 1, 2, 1.
Great job.
I hope that makes your hand feel better.
It does.
Okay, good for you. See you later.
Good job.
Paul, what do you got? Bob Smith Toyota, Carmine's Country Corner. Keep pushing that like and share button. and on YouTube, subscribe. Now, we're gonna upload this on YouTube maybe tomorrow because I'm running late to get down to Knott's Berry Farm, and it's kind of a process to do that. So it'll be up there, and yeah, last week we had a lot of hits.
Did we?
Well, distortion and all. It was one of our bigger weeks. I
We were,
think,
well,
right?
it was good.
Yeah, it was good. We got
Yeah,
a
it's
lot of
nice.
hits. Okay.
They're gonna be disappointed when they don't hear that distortion. They go, man, listen to this distortion they get.
Turn your
It's
speakers
like the
down.
natural stuff,
They
man.
don't even know that it's just. They already know it's not good.
Straight A's, key of E.
Give me straight A's.
1, 2. There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are such a sight to see. They're all of your rich friends that knew you in the city. And now they finally brought you back to me. The papers told how you lost your life, of a party and a fatal crash that night, of a race on the highway and a curve nobody seen. Now you're riding in a long black
This old smoke filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just call my home, keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. I've got screen doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here for closing time. I've got everything it'll take to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a box, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, come and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here for closing time. I've got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. You can always find me here to closing time. There it is.
That was brilliant.
You know, it was,
It was fun. Swan, you got another one? We still got what? We still got like 15 minutes, 18 minutes.
I've got one I wish I knew, but I'll do it.
Well, next week we'll do it.
Yeah.
So what do you got?
I've got a tune that was originally written by me, but stolen by somebody else. Let me see. Vince Gill stole this song.
Yeah, yeah.
from him.
That guy steals everything.
He
doesn't
steals everything.
No, Vince is great.
Got no talent.
All right, that's just another story. A Vince Gill story. He said that Albert's a bad boy. That's what he told me. All right, here's a tune called "Give Me One More Last Chance." How many times have we all
Need one.
need one more last
Give me
chance?
one more chance, Your Honor.
This is in the key of A for all of you playing spoons and all. That me? Is that my phone?
That's out there.
No.
Sorry about that.
sounding piece of equipment you got there.
Oh, that's the best.
So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and boy, he's been awfully good to us, hasn't he, Paul?
Yes, he has.
He let us have a beautiful place to hang out. We come every Sunday, we play a 1-hour show. We have this is our fun zone right here. This is where the boys get together and we get to make music and have a little bit of fun. And we hope you're enjoying it out there. We're getting a lot of good comments, and YouTube is picking up a little bit. Subscribe. Those numbers are growing a little bit, so make sure you push subscribe if you're on YouTube watching these shows. And Dan, I want to thank Dan Ugod for coming down. My daughter Kim went on a cruise.
On a cruise?
Yeah, they, you know, my grandson is a special child, and so all the mothers
Yeah.
get together and they find babysitters for their children. And our good friend Joe, Kim's good friend Joey, is watching Brandon this week. In fact, they came down to Osprey Farm yesterday and hung out with us. And Brandon was such a sweet boy. So the mothers get to take a little break.
Me time.
And they go on a little cruise and they exchange information and little things to help each other out and have a lot of fun.
That's wonderful.
And so Kim, she just called to make sure the show was going okay. She
Kim,
said,
we need
"No."
you. No, we
Yeah,
don't.
she
We're
said,
fine.
oh, Dan's doing a great job. Dan helped us so much with this show. It's unbelievable. So anyway, okay, Paul.
I'm ready now.
All right.
Yeah.
You ready? Okay, good.
Dan just says to me, I'm ready now. Yeah, thank you, Dan. Mr. DeMille, you know, with the old joke about Mr. DeMille.
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready when you are.
We're ready for our close-ups.
Here we go.
And we haven't done anything in F. We're gonna
Let's
do
do
it
it.
now.
God, those frets haven't even been played in years.
There it is.
Is that one of the white keys?
151. You play a couple of black keys and the rest of they call. I think it's the key of one flat. So give that a try. Oh, it's 5511. 1, 2, 1. Across deep blue waters, lived an old German's daughter on the banks of the old river Rhine, where I learned
question that Paul wrote that, Merle Haggard stole. We're exposing all these, song thieves.
How's it start?
Those of you who don't know too much about country music but might enjoy it, and that's why you're watching, you're just kind of enjoying what you're hearing. Don't believe anything he says. Those of you who know, get the joke, laugh and enjoy it.
Hey, you might have something there.
Let's do it
What
at
do you
C.
got?
Let's do it at C, because I'm still not
You'll
fully
be right.
recovered from a bout of laryngitis, so we'll try it at C. Hopefully I'll be able to hit a few notes.
We actually get up at 3 in the morning to do this show.
Okay, oh, yeah. That's right.
A one, a two, a one. Each night I leave the ballroom when it's over.
once in a while I like to make it, he's giving me the finger, he's pointing one finger at me. Dan is telling me,
That's not the
1 minute to go,
One
so,
minute.
So we'll do a,
we'll show him.
we'll do a 3-minute song, they can cut us off.
That's it. Cut us off in the middle of the song if you want to.
Well, there's a one
It'll
for
be
the
kind
money,
of suspenseful.
for the two.
See you next week, folks.